When it comes to packaging automation system design, no application is identical. You need a partner who can take complex requirements and deliver a solution that exceeds expectations. We're Combi, the leader in dynamic, dependable custom packaging automation solutions. From ergonomic, scalable, standalone units to advanced, fully automatic robotic systems, each Combi solution is built with consistency, flexibility, and reliability in mind, ensuring exceptional, repeatable, ongoing performance. Combi helps brand owners adapt to changing market demands and deliver mission-critical results. An expert service team, quick ship parts program, and best-in-class technical support. To top it off, your assigned, dedicated project team stands with you every step of the way. No matter the product, no matter the industry, regardless of the operating environment, Combi leads the pack. Let's talk about how Combi can deliver more value for your business today.